Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Amerson. I have one of my clients who's going to give a testimonial about my products. Hello, Daryl. What would you like to share today?
Man, you know what? The people have to know about Dr. Amerson's hair and scalp shampoo and anti-age. I mean, I've been using it for about a year and a half now. And as you can see, this is live, you guys. I'm actually here, restocking, I should say, because, this is absolutely a phenomenal product for working on my hair. See, I got a nice grain of hair right here. And I actually flew in to get this product. She knows that, coming from another country. And I'm telling you, I fly in to get this product because it works. It simply works. A lot of products out there, they're just products with a title. This actually has value. It actually works, you guys. All right? So I'm going to tell you right now, stop by in the DFW in Arlington. Stop by. All right, get the treatment. Because when I first came by, I didn't know I was going to get the product because I got treated first. She told me what I needed. Okay, she gave me an assessment, and then guess what, you guys? I got the fix right here, and this is the fix right here. So stop back Dr. Amerson's office. All right, come see it, get the treatment, but most importantly, buy the product, you guys, and be a product of the product, and make sure you use it just as she's saying. You will see the benefits from it. All right, catch you guys.
Thank you. Our phone number is 817-265-8854. That's 817-265-8854. And our website is hairandscalpessentials.com. That's hairandscalpessentials.com. Thank you, Daryl.
You're welcome, Dr. Amerson.